Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Our session is now called to order. Kindly rise for our invocation.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos, itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinagpipilian at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras na ito, na kami ay muling narito.
And singing of the national anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Tayang magiging sa sinangalan, alam ng puso, sa ibig mo'y buhay, lupang pinila, kuyan ka mo'y magiging, sa manlulubin, di ka masisingin.
Dan Secretary, we have a forum to transact official visit and order.
The honorable members of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan, the Honorables Chua, Jorda, Dalongay Jr., Bernardo, Salipol, Tenson, Galan, Ong, Galang, Reyes, and our temporary presiding officer, Honorable Juhaday Harmain, and council members are in attendance.
We have called to transact official business. Let's proceed to letter E, reading and consideration of minutes of the previous session.
Once again, good morning. Allow me to present to you the minutes of the previous sessions for your consideration and approval, starting with the minutes of the 74th regular session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Safronio Española, held on May 6, 2024 at the Session Hall of the Sangguniang Bayan, Safronio Española, Palawan, attended by all the members of the Sangguniang Bayan. The presiding officer called the session to order at 9:28 in the morning. The temporary secretary called the roll after the prayer and the singing of the national anthem. With the attendance of all the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, the presiding officer declared the presence of a quorum to transact official business. For reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session were presented by the chair to the body for consideration and approval. There having no comments or corrections from the body, the minutes of 73rd regular session held on April 22, 2024 were unanimously approved upon motion of Councilor Jonathan T. Chua, duly seconded by Councilors Michael L. Jorda and Jonathan J. Ong. For the privilege and question hour, Councilor Fred A. Gatungay Jr., upon recognition of the presiding officer, wanted to clarify what Councilor Chua said regarding Sidling's last session.
Any comments or amendments regarding the minutes of the 74th regular session? If there is no comment, kindly move.
Councilor Chua, sir.
I move the minutes of the 24th session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Safronio Española held on May 6, 2024 at the Session Hall of the Sangguniang Bayan of Safronio Española, Palawan be approved.
It has been moved duly seconded the minutes of the 74th regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan of Safronio Española, Palawan held on May 6, 2024 at the Session Hall of Sangguniang Bayan, Safronio Española, Palawan is hereby adopted. Next minutes.
Minutes of the 14th special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Safronio Española held on May 13, 2024 at the Session Hall of the Sangguniang Bayan, Safronio Española, Palawan, attended by the majority of the Sangguniang Bayan members. The temporary presiding officer, Honorable Jonathan T. Chua, called the session to order at 2:15 in the afternoon. The acting secretary called the roll after the prayer and the singing of the national anthem. With the attendance of the majority of the Sangguniang Bayan members, the temporary presiding officer declared the presence of a quorum to transact official business. business for the day, the approved measures. Draft Appropriation Ordinance number 2094 at 2024-10, appropriating the amount of 19,149,501 pesos.
Alright, any comments or amendments regarding the minutes of the 14th special session of the Sangguniang Bayan, Super Española? Any comments? Yes, Councilor Tengson? Can you raise your comments? Wala na comment. O sige. Wala na pong comment. Any other councilors there? Wala na. Si Move. Kindly move. Comment muna bago move, ha? Okay, sige.
I move the minutes of 14 special session of 11 Sangguniang Bayan of Progress held on May 13, 2024 at the session hall of Sangguniang Bayan sa Progress Española be approved.
It has been moved and duly seconded. Minutes and 14th special session of the 11 Sangguniang Bayan member of Sopronio Española held on May 13 at the session hall of Sangguniang Bayan Sopronio Española, Palawan is hereby adopted. Next minutes.
Minutes of the 15th regular session, special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sopronio Española held on May 28, 2024 at the session hall of the Sangguniang Bayan Sopronio Española, Palawan. This was attended by the majority. Okay, the presiding officer, temporary presiding officer, called the session to order at 10:05 in the morning. 10:09 in the morning for settlement. 05 in the morning. The temporary presiding officer declared a recess at 10:09 in the morning for settlement of concerns regarding the call for special session. The session was resumed at 10:17 in the morning. The secretary called the roll after the prayer and the singing of the national anthem. With the attendance of 6 Sangguniang Bayan members, the presiding officer declared the presence of a quorum to transact official business. For business for today, approved measures. Draft Resolution number 2024-234, approving the supplemental budget number 1, fiscal year 2024, Barangay Labog, Sopronio Española, carried unanimously upon motion of Councilor Fred A. Gatungay Jr. and seconded by Councilors Michael Alcorda and Justado Edingson. Next is forwarded resolution of Barangay Labog requesting the municipal government of Sopronio.
Comments or amendments regarding the minutes? There's none, kindly move. Yes, Councilor Jesse.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. This is relative to item 2 for the business for the day. Ako po yung nung tayo sana susunod na gawin pangkalatang barangay na yun, i-request natin kay Honorable Mayor for the interest of incentives sa barangay namin. Thank you so much.
So, naka-table further naman po siya. Pwede pa natin ipasok naman po. Pag-usapan na natin the next regular session. Okay, any move?
I move the minutes of the 15th special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Sopronio Española held on May 28, 2024 at the session hall of Sangguniang Bayan, Sopronio Española, Palawan be adopted.
Any second motion po? Okay.
As if naman duly seconded the minutes of the 15th special session of 11th Sangguniang Bayan, Sopronio Española, Palawan held on May 28 at the session hall of Sangguniang Bayan, Sopronio Española is hereby adopted po. So, there is no main needs anymore. Then we will proceed to the letter F, privilege question hour. As any measure that?
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. May dalawa po akong una po yung aking baka pwedeng i-cut natin yung
usapan natin nakaraan ng SEC. Dalawa lang yung ating sesyon. Pwedeng makato natin baka tamaan po tayo ng DRBT. Ang pangalawa po is, Mr. Presiding, nilapit po natin ito sa ating mahal na mayor yung pagpakuryente dito. Kuryente ba yung kailangan natin dito? Ang problema po natin yung office po na ito ay parang hindi po siya legislative building. This is, hindi ko lang alam kung tama yung aking pagkakaalam po. This is the building ng mga ito? Isda building. Kaya po, kahit po anong gawin po natin na pwede sa ating mga ngayon, pinasolve ko kasi kung talaga yung legislative building ito, kailangan natin kasi ang totoo niyan, pares-pares tayo dito, paunahan po tayo dito kung sakali man na tuloy-tuloy yung minute. Paunahan po tayo dito, patibayan po tayo ng ano. Problema po natin, sa karating ko, ang problema po natin ay hindi po siya entitled as a legislative building. Yun lang po, Mr. Presiding, hindi ko lang alam kung anong gagawin po natin para ma-equal po ito. Nag-message po ako kay Kong nakaraan, yun na nga po, sabi niya, dapat makipag-usap yung mga para may bago yung title po nito. Thank you very much po. Good evening.
So, may dalawang issue na na-erase kay Councilor Katungay po.
Yung pagkakaalam ko kasi, kasi tungkol doon sa TISDA building, yung ating nilulutuan, yan yata yung TISDA building. Ito kasi parang request talaga ni Mayor ito yung nakaraan na kay kung away na request siya talaga ng register building na bago. Yun yung pagkakaalam ko.
Okay. Is it legislative building or TESDA building? So yun ang tanong.
Hindi kasi yung nilulutuan natin yung TISDA building.
Okay. Sige. Okay, yes po.
Noted lang, Mr. Presiding. Noted lang natin na hindi natin makuha kung talagang ito ay legislative building, kung pwede natin makuha yung papel nito para ma-process natin ng kasi para kung ano yung legislative building yung sa kusina, sa Wada, yung legislative building sa kusina, ulan yung amount niya.
TESDA. Ito yung legislative. Yun po yung TESDA daw.
Kaya po, kung TESDA building po yun, wala amount. Ilan yung amount.
Okay.
Diba? Parang hindi, ako lang sa pananaw ko lang. Parang hindi magbibigay yung ating congressman na TESDA building na ganyan sitwasyon. Pangkusina.
Kanina pa tumatayo ng kamay si SB Tenson. Alright?
Ako sa aking pag-aalam talaga yung sabi na TISDA talaga yung sa kabila, kaso kami nila tinuloy. Yung talaga yung TISDA, yung kabila. Ito bago ginawa ito yung ating opisina, nakalagay yun sa blackboard, malaki. Saka yung papel, yung mga contractor, kung anong opisina, yung talaga sa mga bayan talaga ng opisina. So, wala tayong pro, pero mas maganda kung may mga black and white na papel, yun doon tayo magdiwala kung sino lang tama.
May amount ka ba, Marcelon, kung magkano po yung TESDA building na yan? Kasi
hindi na natapos napabayaan na kumbaga sa
wala nang amount.
Wala amount. Kumbaga sa hindi na natapos, inumpisahan, pero yun talaga yung simula, doon talaga yun. Ihuli na ito Itong pagkakalam mo talaga ito, sa muna yung bayan talaga ito. So, siguro, para ma-prove natin, talagang mag-hanap tayo black and white na papel kung sino na talaga. Kung ito ba talaga, TISDA, o yun ang kabila TISDA. Doon tayo maniniwala kung may pangawak tayong papel. Tama yung sabi ni Katungay. So, para hindi tayo tumagal, magkitayin lang tayo. Talaga saan yung papel, no? Para may proof talaga tayo. Tama yun, itayin lang natin. Kasi ito naman dapat hindi natin ito pag-discuss na papel na lang, papel.
Sa sekretariat siguro. Iyan natin. Kaya may sekretary na magpadala po ng papel. Black and white para query.
Kung saan ang galing talaga. Kung sino lang pagawa. Para may proof tayo. Yan naman, yun ang pangawa.
So, ito ng opisina project ni Congressman Madam Secretary,
hindi natin makuha kung talagang ito ay legislative building, pwede natin makuha yung papel dito para ma-process natin ng tama.
Sige.
Kasi para kung halimbawa ang legislative building yung sa kusina, saglit lang wala. Yung legislative building sa kusina, ilan yung amount niyan? Legislative.
TESDA. Ito yung legislative. Yun po yung TESDA daw.
Kaya nga po, kung TESDA building po yun, what the amount nila na yung amount na.
Okay.
Di ba? Parang hindi, ako lang sa pananaw ko lang. Para hindi magbibigay yung ating congressman na TESDA building na ganyang sitwasyon. Ang kusina.
Kanina pa tumatayo ng kamay si SB Tingson. Alright?
Ako sa aking pag-aalam talaga yung sabi na TESDA talaga yun sa kabila. Kaso ang hindi natin tuloy. Yung talaga yung TESDA, yung kabila. Ito bago ginawa ito yung ating opisina. Nakalapit din sa blackboard, malaki. Saka yung papel. Yung mga kontraktor, kung anong opisina, yung talaga sa huling bayan talaga na opisina. So, pero mas maganda kung may pangawak tayo black and white na papel. Yun, doon tayo maniniwala kung sino talaga tama.
May amount ka ba, Councilor, kung magkano po yung TESDA building na yun? Kasi
hindi na nga natapos napabayaan na eh. Kung baka sa
wala nang amount.
Walang amount. Wala sa hindi na natapos. Inumpisahan, pero yun talagang simula. Doon talaga yun. Huli na ito eh. Itong pagkakalam mo talaga ito, sasama na yung bayan talaga ito. So, siguro, para mag-prove natin, talagang mag-harap tayo black and white na papel kung sino tama talaga. Kung ito ba talaga TESDA o yun ang kabila TESDA. Doon tayo maniniwala kung may pangawak tayong papel. Tama yung sabi ni Katungay. So, yung para hindi tayo tumagal, magkitayin lang tayo kung talaga saan yung papel. No? Para may proof talaga tayo. Tama yun. Itayin lang natin. Kasi ito naman dapat hindi natin pag-discuss na
sige.
Papel na lang. Papel na papel.
Sa secretariat siguro. Iyan na natin. Kaya may secretary na magpadala po ng papel. Black and white para yung query.
Kung saan nanggaling talaga. At kung sino nagpagawa. Para may proof tayo. Yun na naman. Yun ang pangawakan.
So, under ito ng opisina project ni Congressman Abuy po, di ba? So, Madam Secretary, kindly send a letter of query to the ex-congressman Abuy, pwede ba yun? Or sa kay congressman na? Kay congressman GCA na?
Or the Department of Public Works.
Ano pa rin? DPWH, alright, sige.
Mr. Presiding,
Yes, kindly.
siguro yung later naka-address kay Tungbing. Bin-upgrade pa ito eh. Hindi, DPWH eh.
Wala na siya. Former na siya.
Kahit na po. Kasi hindi alam ni Tong DCA itong building na to eh. Pag inauguration, nandito si Tong Bing. Siya talaga ang may idea nito. So, thank you for Mr. Presiding.
Alright, sige. So,
Mr. Presiding, ulitin ko lang po, wala po akong aim na kung ano dito. Ang aim po natin dito, malaman po natin yung papel para may pagpatuloy po natin na ma-request sa ating madam yung pakulit po dito. Ano lang po yung kailangan po natin. Thank you po.
ang problema naman natin lahat dito, iinit talaga, mainit. Pero, at the same time, para na rin, di ba? Tayo nagpapalamig-lamig yung mga kababayan natin, naiinitan, parang na rin sa kanila. Di ba? Pakikiramay na rin sa kanila. Sige. Alright, sige. Any comments? Or any, want to avail the privilege and question hour? Anybody? So, yes, King. Yes, ma'am. You are highly recognized. Yes, what?
Yung sa annual budget po ng Pulot Center, kasi kung mapapansin niyo po, yung Pulot Center na lang po wala dito sa SB. Mag-forward na po ba sila ng annual? Kasi
Based on the record, Madam SK, wala pang pinasara po dito. Ano na lang po. Tama ba, ma'am? Wala? 2023. Yung 2024 po ba tinatanong nyo, ma'am?
Opo, 2024 po.
Last year, October, 2023 budget yung may
Wala pa rin po yung ngayon, yung 2024.
Kasi, nung tinanong ko po kasi na kailangan po namin requirements po sa amin sa fidelity band ng mga sangguniang kabataan.
Kami po yung na-invite sa barangay. So, tinanong ko po yung secretary namin sa barangay. Ang sabi niya po, meron na daw po siya binigay. So, ano po ba yung process nun? Dadaan pa po ba ma'am sa mga budgeting and accounting? Kasi, opo.
Wala naman dun sa budget pa kasi siguro. For review. Paki-check na rin ko sa budget. Pa-check na natin po.
budget. Sila kanila magpapasa. Si budget po,
Magpo-forward dito. Baka na sa budget pa. Kung naipasa na nila. Saan daw po nila pinasa? Sa budget din or sa...
Hindi ko rin po natanong pa. Pero ang sabi nakapasa.
May ano po ba tayo? May other way po ba tayo para mapabilis yung process na talaga?
Para mapabilis po, follow up na natin po sa kanila sa budget office. Kung ano po mga problema dun, baka may mga kulang sila or whatsoever po para may ayos na rin po nila.
Sige po.
So,
yun lang naman. Salamat.
Okay. So, any ano po? Any concern? Okay. So, if there is none, we will proceed to letter G, first reading and referral of the proposed measure and communication. Madam.
Communication from the Municipal Mayor of Nera Rafael Tesorio forwarding the copy of Annual Investment Program Fiscal Year 2025 of Municipality of Safranio Española, Palawan. And for the record, this has only cover letter, no forwarded annual investment program per se, and with an undocumented request to pass it in urgent consideration. Undocumented.
Refer to Committee on Finance. Number 2.
To Committee on Finance, forwarded, next number 2, forwarded copy of Sangguniang Kabataan Annual Budget Fiscal Year 2024, Barangay Pulod Shore, Safranio Española, in the amount of 6,638,023 pesos.
Another for Committee on Finance.
To Committee on Finance.
Number 3, ma'am.
Communication from the Municipal Mayor of Nera Rafael Tesorio requesting authorization on behalf of the Municipal Government of Safranio Española to accept and sign the deed of the nation with the Palawan Town Seal for Sustainable Development, PCSD, for 10 units of chainsaw for the use of the Municipal Government of Safranio Española, Palawan.
Refer to Committee on Rules.
To Committee on Rules.
And then number 4.
Communication from the Municipal Mayor of Nera Rafael Tesorio requesting authorization to enter into Memorandum of Agreement with the Western Philippines University for the implementation of on-the-job training program in the Municipal Government of Safranio Española, Palawan.
Refer to Committee on Rules.
To Committee on Rules.
Yes. Letter H, Committee Report, none. Letter I, Calendar Business. A, Unfinished Business, none. From previous administration, from previous session, none. Business for the day. Second reading, none. Wala na kayong ipasok na mga ano dyan. Nasa ano pa lang tayo, nasa business for the day. Baka may gusto kayong ipasok. If there is none, let's proceed to unfinished business. None pa rin. So, letter G na po. Ayan.
Let's check po the letter of number 4, communication number 4.
Number 4 ba?
From A number 4. Authorization to WPU. May urgency.
as per clarification po sa budget, wala raw po forwarded budget actually.
Wala ka pong forwarded budget. Yun nga, baka sa...
Pwede sa budget wala.
Wala rin. So, baka nakalimutan lang na ng ating budget officer. So, we'll have, 5 minutes? Recess? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our session will resume. Let's proceed to business for the day pa rin ba? Announcement na pala.
Hindi, natanong ko lang urgent yun yung sa ano?
Oo nga pala.
Kailan? Ano, sa committee niya po?
June 13.
Sa committee mo, iba ko siya.
May pa-approve na lang siguro natin. Bakit din na? Kasi pagka i-approve na natin, lumis, makalilate na sila.
Mr. Presiding, pwede ba i-suspend the rules ng item number 4?
Sige.
Okay.
Session. Session suspended.
Okay.
Proceed.
I move authorizing the Municipal Honorable Mayor Abner Pisorio to enter a memorandum of agreement with WPU for the implementation of OJT training program in the municipal government of Soproño Española, Palawan.
It has been moved and duly seconded item number 4 of the ordinary business 75th regular session. Communication from Municipal Mayor Abner Pisorio requesting authorization to enter into MOA with the Western Philippines University for the implementation of on-the-job training program in the municipality of Soproño Española, Palawan is hereby adopted. Any measure po? Wala silang hawak na AIP. Okay, next ano na lang?
Meron po silang resolution at ang naka-forward lang po sa amin ay cover letter at saka yung MDC resolution wala po yung UIP. At yun na meron pong resolution. Usually po lang po.
Oo.
Hindi ko po.
Tapos na yun, naka-attend ako nito na investment program.
May resolution po, MDC resolution. Yun lang po ang
Yung mga items, wala na.
Wala po yung
Mr. Presiding, kasi yung balak ba ipasok sa business for the day tonight, item number 1, hindi pa na. Hindi pa na natin pag-uusap.
Oo, hindi pa naman. So, saan assign? Letter C, none. Tapos sa letter G na tayo. Proceed na tayo sa announcement and reminders. Number 1, report on pending mission and approval of measure. Madam,
Yes. Thank you so much, Mr. Presiding. Ang pipresent na po namin ay ang pending measures. Para po, ang approved measures ay i-furnish na lang po namin kayo. So, ang pending measures po natin as of now ay una po, yung communication ni Councilor Arsanity Bernardo for inclusion in the calendar of business, the proposed ordinance adopting Republic Act number 11213, enhancing revenue administration and collection by granting an amnesty on all unpaid internal revenue taxes. Nasa Ways and Means po kay Consejal Florida. Pangalawa po ay ang communication from Municipal Mayor respectfully endorsing the Local Health Board Resolution number 2023-17 adopting and endorsing the revised organizational structure and staffing pattern. Naka-refer din po kay Consejal Jorda, Ways and Means.
Councilor Jorda?
Next.
Po? Parang wala po tayong approve. Ang Ways and staffing pattern po ng...
Staffing pattern?
Staffing pattern po. Parang hindi pa po. Wala pa pong approve. Manual of procedures po siguro, Consejal, ang bilibin ninyo. Yan po. Yun na-approve na karaan. Tapos po, ang ating Sangguniang Kabataan Pulot Interior Annual Barangay Youth Investment Program. Hindi pa po ito approve?
Tapos na yan.
Opo, budget ng Pulot Interior SK.
Tapos na po yan.
Parang tapos na ito. Finance. Tapos, ito po, bago. Bago lang po kasi bago na na-approve yung opo. Parang may problema tayo kung na-approve na yan. Kasi kaka-approve lang ng Pulot Interior Annual Budget. Hindi pa? Wala pa po. Okay po. Wala pa raw po yung Pulot Interior SK.
Next,
Next is requesting to defund the Administrative Aid Clerk 1 Salary 3 position under the Municipal Civil Registrar's Office. Portion of funds shall be utilized for Administrative Aid 3, Reproduction Machine Operator 1 of the same office, Ways and Means po. Next is authorization to enter into MOA with Ipilan Nickel. I guess tapos na po ito. Tapos na po ito. Next is amendment of Municipal Ordinance number 2021-209, establishing the solid waste management cost recovery mechanism of the municipality of Safronio Española through charging of tipping fee for its sanitary landfill services.
Tapos na?
Parang wala pa po ito. Amendment po ito ng ordinance. Okay po. Wala pa po siya. Next is ECAN Board Head Secretariat, ECAN Resolution number 23-02, a resolution endorsing the ECAN map of the municipality of Safronio Española, Palawan, to the Sangguniang Bayan for endorsement to PCSD sa Committee on Rules. And pending measures for May, communication from the Municipal Mayor requesting for the passage of an ordinance revising the market code. Ito po ay pinalo up last week po sa, ano po ba ito? Market code rules then? Or ways and means? Rules? Okay. Po. Next is forwarded resolution ng Barangay Labog. This one ay naka-table further po as of now sa Committee on Finance din po. Next is review of barangay ordinance ng Barangay Labog sa Public Works, yung pag-declare po ng one-way, yung certain portions. Kaso lang po, hinihingi pa po namin yung amended ordinance bago po mag-proceed sa review po. And the last one po ay proposed resolution requesting to establish Extension School of Pulot National High School at Barangay Pulot Shore. Referred to the Committee on Education. Pero ito po ay hindi pa nagpo-progress gawa ng may certain documents po na kailangan.
Ano ba yun?
MOA with Pulot National High School lang.
MOA?
Opo.
Sandali lang po ulit.
Pulot National High School at Barangay po. Opo. Yan po ang pending measures. And approved measures will be providing you the photocopy po of approved measures. And meron pong invitation ang Mindacon. May copy rin po kayo nito, Mr. Presiding Officer, for conference, Mindanao ICT Cluster Conference, Mindacon 2024 on June 27th to June 29th, 2024 in Zamboanga City.
Oh, Zamboanga.
Zamboanga po.
Right.
At invited po ang Municipal City Mayor and the Sangguniang Bayan Council. Kasama po kayo sa invitation.
24.
27 to 29.
27 to?
29. Parang wala pong ano siya.
Walang registration.
Wala po. Attendance on the hinahanap ko po kanina eh. Parang wala po.
So, late auto sa map mo.
Opo. Wala pong ano, pamasahin lang po siguro. Accommodation. Zamboanga City. So, decision is upon you po. Inform us po kung kayo ay lalakad po. Kami ay
magkakita. Zamboanga tayo?
Pagkatapos mo na, barangatan.
After barangatan, sige yan.
Yan lang po, Mr. President.
Okay. Any ano po? Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Madam Secretary.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Alam ko kung saan ito pwedeng pumasok ngayon kasi pumasok din sa off-duty ko. Gagawa sana ng resolution requesting Honorable Mayor for the Liga Hall. And to allocate fund. Depende kung bigyan kami ng isang room or building. Liga Hall or Liga Room. Liga Hall siguro. Surprising.
Liga Office. Office. Liga Office.
Yung office ba ka?
Provide kayo ng opisina nila dito sa Liga Office.
Liga Office slash Liga Hall.
Liga Office.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Okay, okay. Requesting the Honorable Mayor to have Liga Hall or Liga Office. Conference, with conference. Tama naman yun kasi pag may meeting yung conference room natin, marami eh. Sakol-sakol, di ba? Oo. Sige, sige. Next ano po, announcement.
Ano ko lang, namangita talaga yung mga katungay kanina, Nispi Katungay, yung ating session. Ano ba, ipabalik ko tayo sa regular session. Kasi medyo wala na rin, maganda na panahon.
Okay.
Pinapahal ko lang, baka hindi na klaro ba? Iklaro ko
yung kanina. Okay.
Iklaro ko lang kung anong naman din para next session, apat na balik sa natin.
Baka makantsawan tayo eh. Yung ano kasi natin, pinakadahilan natin, tag-init eh, tagulan ha.
Hindi na nga, yun naman, dati temporary talaga yun, talaga mainit. So, yun naman naman na body, di ba? Wala na problema doon.
Yes.
Eh ngayon, umulan na, medyo hindi naman ganang mainit. Baka, balik ka lang sa dati, okay sa body, no? Para, thank you, Sir Fred.
Sige, thank you.
Yun na nga, yun naman, dati temporary talaga yun, talaga mainit. So, yun naman na body, di ba? Wala na problema doon.
Yes.
Eh ngayon, umulan na, medyo hindi naman ganang mainit. Baka, balik ka lang sa dati. Okay sa body, no? Thank you, Sir Fred.
Sige, thank you. Balik na lang natin daw sa dati po. Regular session natin ay tuwing Lunes. Okay? Okay na? Balik sa dati? Wala na comment? Okay. Our session will be on the regular Monday. No? Okay. Any boy? Wala na official yan. Okay.
Good morning po, Mr. Presiding. Before ko po i-adjourn, ano ko lang po na yung 15, 16, 17 po yung ating PCL. So, sa mga intermer po, nakadepende para sa inyo yung kung mag-avail kayo ng ring. Doon din na rin malalaman sa registration natin. So, may one day lang din po tayong 16 po yung event natin, 16 ng tapos isang gabi rin po tayo sa hotel yung sa ating accommodation na. National po yung national. Yung sa national, hindi po kasi namin na pag-meetingan yun yung national, yung dito lang sa local natin. Kasi yung national kasi 1920-21 buong kinasyon dito natin, dito ganapin sa Palawan. Parang yung pagkaalam ko po nung konsel, parang hindi man yung national, parang Visayas lang ata.
Visayas?
PCL Visayas lang. Hindi tayo kasama doon.
Hindi kasama rin kung sino natin. Pwede naman.
So, wait na po at Mr. Presiding, I move to adjourn our regular session.
Any second motion po?
I'm seconded.
Alright. Our session has been moved and duly seconded, and now our session is adjourned. Thank you so much.